Ventura Mall, and it was a fail because I thought like the little strap on the 2005 re-edition was longer, but literally it wasn't, and I couldn't put it under my arm. It could be because I had on a jacket though, right? Well, it was just kind of small. Instead, we came down to the design district today, and I found a little Louis bag. So I like the, what is it, pochette accessory. It's just a little shoulder bag, and I want to come see it in person and try it on, so we'll see. It is actually on Sunday. It's not that bad out here, and now I'm trying to find the Louis store, but let me just walk you guys around here because it's so beautiful. I love it here. Babe, look. They got your Baccarat bear braids. Those are the ones that were on Nordstrom. And the little necklaces, how cute. So this is the big ass sandwich that they got. I don't even know what this is. Look how cute he is. I can't even take it. Thank you. What kind of sandwich is this, babe?
That's a chicken BLT.
Chicken BLT. And you guys, I got a Mexican crepe. Well, for now, I just got water and Coke, and my crepe is coming. Is that as good as it looks?
Right.
All right. This is what I ended up getting, you guys. It is a Mexican crepe. I forget all the shit it has inside, but it looks so flipping good. It's pretty big too. And my Coke, and then I'll probably get coffee after. It's a lot of chicken.
Yum, 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 yum. How is it?
It's good. You want to try?
Yeah.
So sweet. They're good though, huh? I came here because it's the bigger store out of the ones down here, and I would think they would have it. So we'll see. This is so cute. It's so big in here, dang. It's like 2 stories. How cute are those? Oh my goodness. Those are adorable. What I was wearing today. So I have on this top from Shein. It's a bodysuit. Pants are from H&M. My shoes are from Aldo, and obviously that's where my bag is from. Yeah, I thought it was a cute little vibe for out here. You know, you gotta look expensive when you out here, child. But we just ate. That thing was so good, you guys. This is Babe's drip today. He's got the Dior's on with his helmet length shirt. I picked that out, babe. Give me credit.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Furniture I wanted were out of stock, and they're not available anywhere for delivery or anything. So, we came across PRADA, and they're there's no weight. All right, cool. Let's go ahead. So this is the bag I came for you guys, but I really wanted the tan. They don't have the tan. They have this color. Gosh, and then they have blue and pink. And they wanted tan. They don't have tan. He said it's all gone. There was another bag. This little one is cute. You guys, their spring collection. Look how cute these are. And look, it's a little, well, it actually fits on my shoulder. It's cute. You guys, I like this one the best. This is so flipping cute, but it's $2,200. How cute is this thing? Hello. Which one did I have last time? Why did you ask? Kentucky creme brulee? That sounds like what I need. Our dear friend David Grootman?
Yeah.
Our dear friend. Oh, does he?
Oh, hello, Papa.
7% on laptop. In a Jeep.
It's a one-year warranty on the stitching
Mm-hmm.
and the nylon.
Yeah, it's super cute. This is the gold one. The gold one? The gold one? Really? I'm torn, you guys. I don't know which one. It's between this, because I can throw it over my shoulder. I love throwing stuff over my shoulder. Or this one. I like the gold hardware, but this doesn't go over my shoulder. I can only hold it or wear it as a crossbody. This is, babe, do you see this strap? How cute. I got my first PRADA, you guys. I'm so happy. Thanks, babe. Love you. You're the best.
Oh, you gonna pay me back for that one?
I pay you with hugs and kisses every day. What do you mean? Happy wife, happy life, they say. That is the truth. Oh. I don't think I told you guys where we were at. We are at Sawgrass Mills. Oh, and you guys, babe, I'm actually looking for a nice big black pair of, hold on, a big black pair of glasses for like when I don't want to show my face and when I don't want to wear makeup and I just want to go like incognito. So here, thank God I waited. This is where all the outlet stores are, all the high-end outlet stores and all that. So right now, we're gonna go to Saks Fifth Avenue off the 5th, and then right beside it is the Bloomingdale's outlet store. So, cross my fingers, I find some nice glasses. And if you're having Tom Fords in here for like less than $200, so. Asia didn't say hi to the vlog today. Asia, did you say hello? Wow, wow.
They say the first should be last. I'm the last to be beat. You gon' have to see me. You gon' have to see.
I'm gonna show y'all Benny's drip today. Bae, you gotta show them the fit. He got his garçons with the matching tee and his little face mask. This boy's so cute. I can't even take it. That vest, really? Yeah, it's actually kind of cute. It's kind of fly. I could see you wearing that over something.
Yeah, you have to wear it over.
You wanted to see if they had any more helmet laying, right? I mean, but they move stuff around all the time in here, so. Oh, that's super cute. How cute is that? So that goes with your shoes. That's cute. How much? 50 bucks. That's not bad. That's cute. Looks like a medium. That's a 2X?
That's a 2X.
There's no way that's a 2X.
I like the cut of this. The raw cut.
Let me see. Oh, yeah. Yeah. That's cute. Hey! Is that garçon? No, that's French Connection. They lied. Why they did that? They need to stop. You guys, okay. First of all, I gotta show you this. So you see, this is a members only Looney Tunes denim jacket, okay? And the price on this, their sale price, what's their sale price? Oh, and you see the back, right? It's just got the Looney Tunes or whatever. So, here it is. The price on this thing, $89.99 from original $220. I have a members only jacket, except it's Nickelodeon, that I got at Burlington Coat Factory for $30, y'all. Now y'all tell me, is this the deal or Burlington? Y'all check out Burlington. You could come up in Burlington for real. This is all the helmet lane they have, and this is kind of tacky, honestly. But y'all, they also got some Yeezy season 4 in here. Look, and this is like, I don't know, this reminds me of like that redneck print they go like hunting wears or whatever. This shirt is $90. Like, why is this $90? Why? Y'all, look at these Saint Laurents though. How funky are these? How much are these? These are $307 for some Saint Laurents. Yo, if they got these in my size, not those. These are super cute though. Wow. I know you won't wear those, but I'll wear those. Those are super cute. Fancy. I feel like these are classic Valentino heel. And here they are $529. No. How cute. All right, off to the glasses. These are kind of cute. Some big black glasses. I gotta try them on. Let me see. I can't tell with the mask on, like how it. What do you think?
Take it out real quick.
Yeah, but I want like black. Like you see how this
Yeah,
has
they
like a
can
clear.
see. That's the her glasses.
These are super cute though, but I want like a dark black. A dark black.
That's Christian Dior's.
What about like a big square? Like a big square thing. I like these. It's $150. These are cute, right? And this is this like square frame that I want.
Nice.
Okay, let me hold on to these. Y'all, can you guess where I am? I'm at HomeGoods. How did I make it to HomeGoods at 9 o'clock at night? from Mexican, you guys. Yummy. I'm ready. Y'all, we're at this Mexican Cuban place called Don Pepe. And I had a, what is it? A mango mojito. So good. Asia's laughing. I'm not tipsy. I'm just excited to eat. But I'm just excited to eat, okay? I got another one also. Asia, you're driving home because Benny and I have alcoholic beverages.
Well, then I guess we're not making it
And
home.
you have a non-alcoholic
I guess we're not
beverage.
making it home.
We're 5 minutes from the house. Asia, we're 5 minutes from the house. Yeah, from now on.
Are y'all gonna pay me $50?
Excuse me?
$50
What
a
do you think
minute?
this is, Uber or Lyft?
Pay $50
A minute?
a year.
$50 a year. We devoured the chips and salsa. That was kind of good. But yo, this was so good. I'm getting another one. Fancy Asia. That looks so good. Can I have one of these instead? Well, did they start making this already?
With alcohol?
Yes, please. That looks so good. I need one of those. Wow.
I told you it was pineapple.
Oh, yummy.
Sorry, y'all gotta put on the show.
Sebastian, get down from there. He's just so spoiled. He knows. He knows when we bring home a bag, it's something for him. What's in here for you? Huh? What's in here? Since he just knows. Let me not keep him waiting any longer. Wait, where is it? Where is it? It's not in this bag. No, this is just a homegoods bag. Oh. Just kidding. Sebastian, you need to calm your little nerves. He is going crazy. Sebastian, what did you get? You got Gumby? Oh, you got Gumby. Oh my goodness. Sebastian, Gumby is such a classic. Show them Gumby. Show them Gumby. Yeah, show them Gumby. I thought I would just show you guys real quick what I found at HomeGoods, which is not what I was looking for. I was actually looking for nightstands for our bedroom. Everything that I want at IKEA is sold out. So I just found this basket for Sebastian's toys in the living room, which I thought was so cute. Look at that. But I like that it has like this leather detail and kind of cool stitching on here with like this wraparound rope. I don't know. I thought it was cute and it's gray and it goes with our living room. So this was, what was it? $19.99. And I just thought it was so cute. And he has like a gazillion toys and they're literally all over the place. So at least in the living room, I can put them back there at the end of the night. And for my brother and sister-in-law's dog, Benny found the cutest freaking, okay. So first of all, we got, they have a, what is she, babe? A Chiweenie. She's a Chiweenie. So she's a Chihuahua and, what do you call the wiener dogs? Dachshund. She's a Dachshund Chihuahua mix, and her name is Bella. So we got her this little toy, and it's so cute. It says Pink Champagne France. This was so adorable, and her teeth are like so sharp. She chews through freaking everything. So this will probably last her all of 10 minutes. And then we found her a cute little basket too, and it says her name on it. It says Bella. Oh my God, she's the cutest little thing. So Benny actually found this for her. This was only $12.99 at HomeGoods, and this will be for her toys at their place. Well, the food was good, you guys. Betty and Asia ended up laughing at me the rest of the night because they thought I was tipsy. I'm not. So I think I'm just gonna call it a night here. I'm gonna hop in the shower, relax, drink some water. And is there any movies or anything that we need to see? Oh, we started Falcon last night on Disney Plus. It was the first episode. Falcon and Winter Soldier. Falcon and Winter Soldier. It was okay. Like, it's nothing to run home and tell mom about, but it's okay. What do we have to do tomorrow? We have to grocery shop. What do we gotta do? We gotta grocery shop. We gotta go to the pet store to get Sebastian his treats and his vitamins. And that's it. We actually went furniture shopping today, but I didn't see crap, and I didn't vlog. And good thing I didn't, because I didn't find anything. But yeah, so pretty much tomorrow is just grocery shopping, and I have a bunch of crap to edit. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.